I thought marketing was just a case of getting content out there. It was just a case of put something up and hope for the best kind of thing. But that's obviously not really what we ought to be doing. I mean, it's a lot more than just getting content out, isn't it?
It starts off with us saying, well, what is it we want to sell? Who are our audience? And actually, do they want to buy what we want to sell? Because it's no good me trying to sell you something that you don't want. And if the rest of my audience don't want it, as good as I am at marketing, none of you are ever going to buy it. So I'm going to actually align my customer base, my potential audience, with what they want, not what I want to sell them. Then it's a matter of creating that product. And if you look at pure marketing, you'd start at the situation of identifying that audience, then identifying what product they want, and we produce that product.